Hello, my name is Vrishali, and today I would like to walk you through my tattoo design app, Inktank, that is a part of my UX design course. The app focuses the requirements of tattoo enthusiasts and ensure that they receive relevant information that they are looking for. Once you download the app, this is the home page that you find. Once you get started, you land onto the app with these introductory screens which walk you through the content of the app, tattoo designs, the artists near me, and the Essential Tattoo Guide. Once you're done with these pages, you land onto the login page where you have the options to log in using Facebook, Google, and Twitter. I choose to log in using my Google account. Once I log in, I land onto the page where it asks for the access to my location. I would like to allow it. That will ease in my search further. Landing onto the home page, I can browse through all the trending tattoo designs, or I can just search from here and I can choose whatever I want. I choose for spiritual tattoos. I can anytime enlarge the image, scroll through the tattoos. I can anytime add them to my favorites using the small little heart over here. Going back to the spiritual tattoo page, I can anytime go back to the home page from here and I can search for the artists. I can search the artists nearby or in any city that I want. I would like to choose an artist, look out for an artist in Munich. I land onto the search page for the artists. I can use some filters. I choose to use reviews and maybe price. I get the result. I click on here and I get the map view which shows my location and the artists nearby. I choose this artist and I have a small introduction about the artist. I can anytime switch to the grid view and I have the same number of search here. I choose artist number 1. Okay, I land onto the page that shows me the name of the artist, the ratings, the styles he works upon, the studio, and a brief introduction. I can also have a look at the portfolio here. I choose to book an appointment with the artist. I can choose the date. I can choose the time. And I can confirm and book it. Once the booking is done, I see the small window which gives me a confirmation. I can go back to the search page from here and choose any other artist, or I can just move on to the home page. Once done with the tattoo and artist search, I would like to walk you through the other feature, that is the tattoo guide. It offers all the essential tattoo guide for the tattoo enthusiasts, like the removal, correction, or how do I take care after getting a tattoo. I choose to click here and I get all the detailed information that I have been looking for. I can go back and choose for any other information, or I can just cross it from here and land back on my home page. I've tried to keep it simple and straight. This concludes the demo for the Inktank. Thank you very much for watching.